our enmity is not directed at every Shia. In fact, we believe the vast majority of the Shias are the first and the biggest victims of this extreme form of the Sharia, which is 12 Imami Rafidi Shiism. No, this is not sharp, this is not fringe. And you're going to see in the clips that I'm going to show that these things are recited at their tombs, shrines, mausoleums, most holiest places on a daily basis.
نادي عليا مظهر العجائب تجده عونا لك في النوائب. نادي عليا مظهر العجائب تجده عونا لك في النوائب. علي 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 يا علي 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 يا علي.
This is indeed one of the Mu'ammamin, Al-Mudarrisi, this owner of Ahl Bayt TV, the American one, when he says, when our mothers give birth, they say Ya Allah, Ya Ali. When we get up, we say Ya Ali. When we sit down, we say Ya Ali, Ya Ali. Everything is Ya Ali. Not even Ya Muhammad, you know. Not that it's correct to say Muhammad, but the whole religion is summarized in the cousin of the Prophet. Allah understand.
Should we stick to Ya Allah and not say Ya Ali?
Ali ibn Abi Talib is this great man whose name we will call for our entire lives. When you want to get up, you say Ya Ali. When you want to sit down, you say Ya Ali. When you want to climb a bunch of stairs, you say Ya Ali. When you want to help your kids ride a bicycle, you teach them to say Ya Ali. When your mother's giving birth to you at the hospital, she calls out Ya Ali.
This is your tawheed? Is this what the Prophet ﷺ came for? The Prophet ﷺ came to the Quraysh to tell them, yeah, okay, stop calling upon Hubal and upon Al-Lat and Al-Uzza and all of these. None of these idols were purely stone. All of them used to be once upon a day, righteous human beings. So did the Prophet ﷺ came to tell them, oh, you know, ittaqullah, fear Allah, haram, replace them, and now invoke me in Jibreel and Ali and Fatima and a bunch of imams in the future in your du'as and in your prostration. I mean, what kind of maskhara, what kind of joke is this? This is for those who say, yeah, but look, they pray to Allah, don't they? 2 rak'ah fajr, they have 2 rak'ah fajr, and so on, like us, they pray to Allah, don't they? Yeah, they do. I used to be Shia, they pray to Allah, yes. What's the point of praying to Allah and then you finish your prayer and after the prayer you invoke the Prophet and Ali and the Prophet and Ali and the Prophet and Ali and the 12 Imam? Is this Tawheed? Is this Sunnah?
Ya Muhammad, Ya Ali, Ya Ali, Ya Muhammad, ikfiyani فإنكما كافيان وانصراني فإنكما ناصران يا مولانا يا صاحب الزمان الغوث الغوث الغوث.
Is behind this mask, behind these sweet and nice slogans. Madhab Ahl Bayt, Madhab of Ahl Bayt, School of Ahl Bayt, Full Ahl Bayt, Love Ahl Bayt. What is behind this mask? Behind this mask are these Mafatih, Shirkiyat and Dalalat, just like the Nasara, the Messiah worshippers.
تو مشکلاتت زیاد بگو یا محمد و یا علی و یا فاطمه و یا صاحب الزمان ادرکنی ولا تهلکنی.
That is why they try to turn the tables, you know. That's why they love to distract, create a, smoke screen and say, oh yeah, sky god, Salafi sky god, Salafi sky god. Your God has limbs though, and play these games, play this Sifat game. Because they know, if people see these things, who will accept such a Catholic Islam? And then having the audacity to say, oh yeah, these Wahhabis, they do bid'at, you know, bid'at. They follow Umar, you know, in his Taraweeh, you know, accusing us of doing bid'ah, Taraweeh, where you cry and weep and for Allah. You invoke Allah alone, pray in Jama'ah, pray to Allah alone. It's of course bid'ah. But this khurafa, this zandaqa, this majusiyah is of course pure bid'ah, pure tawheed of Ahlul Bayt.
يا علي أنت لواء الفخر والمناقب وجوهر العزة والمواهب علي 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 يا علي.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله الطاهرين وصحبه الغر الميامين، لا سيما أبي بكر الصديق وعمر الفاروق وعثمان ذو النورين وعلي بن أبي طالب أسد الله الغالب ومن سار على دربهم إلى يوم الدين آمين. Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters, wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, we continue with our series, A Culture of Shirk, Mafatih al-Jahim, the Keys to the Hellfire, the famous mainstream SHIA 12th book of Dua, Mafatih al-Jinan, that they call the keys to the heavens. We could compare it to Hisn al-Muslim, our book of Dua, where there is Tawheed and Tawheed only in it. No Ya Abu Bakr, no Ya Umar, no Ya Ali, no Ya Jesus, no Ya Mary, no Ya Fatima, no Ya Aisha. Nobody is called besides Allah. Allah only is invoked. This is the culture of Ahl-Sunnah, the culture of Tawheed, of course. So here in this culture of Shirk, today we will analyze and read another dua, another shocking dua, another mainstream dua. This is the saddest part. Yes, it is mainstream. For those who think, oh, this is probably nitpicking some weird shadh, fringe opinions. No, this is not shadh, this is not fringe. These things are recited at their tombs, shrines, on a daily basis, after every salah. طيب. So, this is Mafatih al-Jinan, original Arabic, Mafatih al-Jinan, Al-Hajj, Al-Sheikh Abbas al-Qumi, this is Zindiq, Dua al-Faraj, Safha, page 163. So what does it say? Ya Muhammadu, Ya Aliyu, Ya Aliyu, Ya Muhammadu, ikfiyani fa innakuma kafiyan, وانصراني فإنكما ناصران يا مولانا يا صاحب الزمان الغوث 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 أدركني 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 الساعة 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 العجل 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 يا أرحم الراحمين, and so on. By the way, this title itself is a shirky title. You know, even the titles, some of the titles they've given to the imams, or in this case the hidden imam, Sahibul Zaman, again, ask any non-Muslim, who do you think to the Muslims, who is the owner and master of the time to the Muslims? Wallah, even a Hindu would say, well, I guess Allah, right? La. In Shiism, this title, Sahibul Zaman, the master, owner of the time, is a title given to the Torah.
وجود نازنین حجت ابن الحسن فرمودن سید یادتون نرود امروز همه کاره عالم به اذن الله من وجود نازنین امام زمان هستم که اگر بخواهم بشود میشود والامر كله بيده.
وصا احكيها واللي يرضى يرضى والما يرضى خلي يضرب عرضه. ليش وين رواه ال محمد؟ والله وبالله وتالله وحقي راس فاطمه لا رسول الله يقدر يسوي شيء بهسه وهذا الزمن. ما يقدر هو، بس مو من حقه. ولا أمير المؤمنين ولا رب العالمين ولا رب العالمين ولا رب العالمين. منو؟ الكل تقرر واللي ينفذ هو. كل شغلكم بين صاحب الزمان لتفتيل المال.
والعياذ بالله. Anyway, so this dua, as you can see, which is called Dua al-Faraj, purely mainstream, this is to be said after the salah. This is one sigha. This is from Mafatih. طيب. There's worse than this in the most authentic books of hadith. So look what it says. It says, if something saddens you, say in your sujud prostration, O Jibreel, O Muhammad, repeat that. Suffice me both, as both of you are sufficient. Help me, two of you, for you are my helpers. Protect me with the permission of Allah, for you are my protectors. Usul al-Kafi, Book of Supplication, Chapter Dua, Sorrow of Grief. So you see, the only thing for the gullible and for the weak-minded to justify the shirk, they add bi'idhnillah. Imagine, this is a reminder, Hisn al-Muslim. This is our culture of Tawheed. We don't have a dua where you go in sujud and invoke Ali, Gabriel, Mikael, Fatima, Aisha, or anything. Imagine we had a dua here where after you finish your salah, you go into sujud and invoke Mikael, Israfil, Jibreel, Umar, Abu Bakr and Ali. Bi'ithnillah. You add the clause, Bi'ithnillah, with the permission of Allah. Imagine you would go to a Nasrani, to a Buddhi, to a Yahudi, to a Wathani, to Jew, Christian, any idol worshipper, and you say to them, well, we call you to Tawheed, and Tawheed, and then the Nasrani or the non-Muslim, he stumbles upon this dua, this made-up dua that I just made, and say, what you invoke angels or not, and your saints in sujud, in prostration. This is your Tawheed? Because they know, if people see these things, who will accept such a Catholic Islam? Which Mexican brother and sister, Spanish brother and sister, any brother and sister from Italian brother and sister, East European brother and sister, many who are from a Catholic background, which of them who left the invocation of the saints will accept a sect, a religion, where now he has to replace his former saints with now the family of the Prophet ﷺ and a bunch of imams? Is this what the Prophet ﷺ came for? What kind of insult? That's why, wallahi al-azim, this itself is an insult to Ahlul Bayt. Ahlul Bayt Abu Ra', innocent of these khurafat and these shirkiyat and these zanadiqah. And the Shia people have to wake up. As I always say, the reason I do my da'wah and exposing these kufriyat, my primary target are my people, Ahl-Sunnah wal Jama'ah, so that they are aware what the reality of this sect is all about. These are my primary target. As for the Shia people, they are victims, the biggest victims of these khurafat and shirkiyat. Some people might say, what is your issue? I mean, let everybody live according to what he wants to believe. We don't force nobody. I don't force nobody to watch this video. I live with people of different faiths. They are my neighbors, in a city with different faiths. Everybody can do whatever he wants. Believe wise, as long as he abides by the law. However, what obviously hurts us as Muslimun is that all these lies and khurafat and zandaqat, dalalat, shirkiyat, all these heresies are attributed to those whom we love, to the Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam. This is the issue. The Hindu who does his polytheism, who indulges in his polytheism, he doesn't attribute it to Islam. He doesn't claim authentic Islam. He doesn't say this is the Islam of the Prophet's family. However, this sect, this Imami, 12 al-Rafidi sect, and their Hawzat and their Ayatollat, they attribute these lies and khurafat to the Ahlul Bayt. And it's enough. People need to know the truth.
وما يؤمن أكثرهم بالله إلا وهم مشركون.